So SEO, you can enter the system keywords, some meta. This is just a description about your store. These are product policies. There are some policies regarding your bookings or products in edit. These are some advanced stuff like enable reviews. If you don't want to, if you don't want the customers to review your products or booking, you can just disable it like this, and you can submit it. If you want to enable, it will be uh, click it. It will be ticked by default. So you can find there you can see there are so many options here: settings, report, support, reviews, followers. If somebody some customers are following you or your store, you can find them here. This is a ledger book. Like you can see all the summary here: total earning, total withdrawal, total refund, right? Gate wise. You can get all the information here. Payments. These are the payments made by the customer. So you can get all the details regarding the payments. You can also print all these details. So you can also convert them to PDF. You can also convert them to Excel or CSV or print them. Add to my store. This In this option you can basically see all the products of the data salon. If you like those products, you can add it to your store and you can edit them. It will be in draft by default. You can edit those products and you can publish them. You just have to change the product name and description and the price. Refund, if some customer asks for a refund due to some reason, so you can also refund them. So you can also reject those refunds. So you can also contact us if you need some assistance. This is a support page. If somebody raises a ticket on different categories or different issues, you can also answer them or solve their issues. Reviews. So this page is basically for the product reviews. If somebody reviews the product, you can find them here. And obviously log out. You have to log out. You just once your work is done, you have to log out all the time. So for the security purpose. Coupons. If you want to give some coupons to your customers, you can add those some coupons. So this is the coupon code. You can do any kind of code and the description and the percentage. So coupon amount, how much, because it's the percentage discount. So that means I will give 5%. So 5% will be deducted. 5% discount for a coupon card will be created. This is coupon expiry date. You can set the date here, like when you want to expire the coupon, when you want the coupon to expire. May set any date in the future. It should be a future date. Minimum spend, you can restrict the minimum spend here. Like only if you want to give the coupon to the product which has more than 600 rupees value. So before that, there is no coupon. There will be no coupons. There will be no coupon. Maximum spend, like maximum you can add it like 1,000. After 1,000, there will be no coupon, or the coupon code won't work. So you can add the product here if you want to exclude some items, or if you want to add some categories. Like if you choose kids, this coupon will only work on the kids category related products. So that's it. Exclude category is not required. You have to choose only one category here. Um, so choosing a product category which is recommended. The product choosing the product category is recommended. Exclude products which is not this is not recommended. You can only you can target each product. So email restriction. If you want to restrict some emails, you can enter those emails here. Maybe it could be a customer's email address. Submit. That's it, and the coupon will start working. So I think that's it, guys. I have covered almost now. Some questions you can ask your question, comment, you know, or you can also visit our website. You can also contact us. The contact details are in the description, and they are also contact details are available in the website as